Once again, another Saturday at another Zay06's Truck Meet. I promise you this shit is about to be epic. I just told you, again, this shit is about to be epic. Only thing I make is movies. Call me the director, because I make films and shit. Let's go. Say beat the box.
Come on, do it.
Do it one time.
He ain't gonna
Look, for all these YouTubers, I got the two best fucking damn camera guys, photographer, videos right here. You got Holla Media.
Hell yeah.
Then you got C Shoots. You see his, we gonna
Holla Media.
Hey, look.
You see that code?
Hey, hit my dog up right there.
Screenshot. I'll pull up the.
Because at the end of the day,
I'll pull up the Instagram.
There we go. Boom. Y'all see it? And I promise you, the work speak for itself. The work speak for itself. In camera shot, we gonna
play with these guys.
Hey, what's your Instagram? Just in case you know.
Riley? LexiNicole_121.
Hey, you just show it. Show it. We trying to get you some followers or a new man, you know. I'm trying.
Hers is like Kylie Chapman. Yo, look that bitch up. You got it.
Hey, everybody take one big group photo over there. Everybody get flicked up over there.
Oh, hey.
Hey, everybody, come on.
Oh, we get right here.
I know, right? Hey.
Everybody, come on.
Everybody take one big ass photo. Yeah, damn. That's what you call double mint twins right there. Get them, baby. Double mint twins.
What you want?
All hairs in there.
Hey, come on.
You got pepperoni nipples.
On the count of three, summer kickoff. 1, 2, 3. Y'all some dicks. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Come back.
I gotta help the big one up. Hey, shit. Everybody just rumble.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I was spending like 3 hours in the circle.
Oh, you can do that too. It's all up to you. Drew. Y'all want to take a picture with the sign?
Show.
We got it. Yeah, get in there.
Got a whole ass paparazzi crew going.
Hey, let's do it.
Oh, no.
Hey, matter of fact, get my Instagram.
Yo, what is that?
She's 12. That nigga lame. Hey, some good.
Hey, don't pop your tires. Don't, hey.
Don't even put that shit in video. Don't even put that.
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? We about to make movies. We making movies, I swear, all summer long. First fight of the night. Mic check. I got Bell with me. I got my security guard with me. So if one of y'all motherfuckers act stupid, just know it's gonna get regular. Again, whatever I throw, I promise you that bitch gonna be a movie. We got the Dodge over here. We got the Chevy over here. You know, we got a little bit of everything out here.
Beat a hoe. Beat a hoe. Hey, what is she? Beat a hoe.
Boom. Oh, that's how you feel? You see the boys? The boys gonna be there. He might be the judge for the Daisy Duke contest.
Summer kickoff. Yeah, do it. Hot bitches. Oh shit! Holy fuck!
Let's go!
Yeah, do it.
Oh!
That ain't gonna do it. Call this nigga.
Hey, we give him some water. Give him some water.
Pick it up.
Here, hold my camera. Holla media.
Well, damn, my boy.
Hey. Let me get on that. Let me get on that.
That was tragic.
That was what? That was tragic. That was very
Hell yeah.
Hey, when I get the bourbon back, we're gonna spin it over there.
I bet.
Hey, my shit won't spin. Bro, I get on the bourbon. Y'all need to tell him to stop. Yes.
Come on, Carson!
You doing it in the mud?
Come on!
Let me get on my hat. That bitch sideways. What was that? What pop?
I heard that.
What pop? Hey, you a little too damn close, my boy.
Carson, you better chill your ass out before I break your goddamn.
I ain't gonna remind him of that guy. I'm not gonna remind him.
You see my dog right here? We be on that real,
Sliding for real.
you know, we be on that real redneck shit. You feel me? We about to cut up a goose. You feel me?
I can probably get out.
I want to see the goose. Excuse me, y'all want to see a goose? Yeah, a goose. Then grab it. Then grab it. This man got a goose in the back of the damn truck. A whole damn goose. Look at the head. Buddy, sleep. Look at this man. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Bendo, yeah! 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 Bend that bitch! Bend it! Try it!
Hey, we can pick up the back and we'll start spinning. Hey, Trey, let's try.
The battery gonna blow. He brought a doom buggy into a damn. Oh shit! You stalled out. I just found a spot where I can start throwing parties. It's behind Taco Bell.
Hey, bro, where's the Mustang owner at?
She just started on the night there.
Man, I tried to. He said started because he got to redo the shit. He got to. But other than that, we can throw parties in there and everything. Don't worry, this summer about to be lit as fuck. What's happening?
Oh wait, is the video still going?
Yeah, it is
Never
now.
mind.
Y'all see it? June 8th, it's about to be a fucking movie. Y'all gonna be in the Daisy Duke contest? Y'all wanna be in the Daisy Duke contest?
Yeah.
I bet.
Come on, guys. Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
I was spending like 3 hours in a circle.
Oh, you can do that too. It's all up to you. Drew. Y'all wanna take a picture with the sign?
Show.
We got it. Yeah, get in there.
Toe man's already here.
Hey,
He like, hey, I'm ready.
we got the tow man on standby just in case somebody shit.
I'm gonna drop off the truck.
Stay on 17.
Hey, where y'all put my lip on?
Hey, as soon as you put that lip on, we can't say 17s no more.
Nope, y'all better have fun with it.
38.
Nah, I ain't going that big. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? We about to make movies. We making movies, I swear, all summer long.
Bye.